Hi guys, welcome to my channel. It's your girl Leilani's Love, and today I'm coming through with a whole makeup transformation, slay transformation. You know what I mean? Just stay tuned, guys. This is Wanda. It's her anniversary. She's celebrating 3 years, and she wants to do a new look to surprise her husband. So as you can see here, she has locks, and we're gonna give her a new look without the commitment. So we'll be installing a wig and giving her some makeup.
I got you some lashes, just so. Hey, you don't want no feathers on your face.
Right. So that'll be your fools.
Last time she had on lashes, her husband said she had feathers on her face.
Leilani's Love.
So that's what the joke was about. So this is a custom closure wig that I made for her. I did it in like a ombre color. It has some different hues of reds and browns in it. Perfect for the fall. And being that it's a closure wig, this is something that she should be able to install herself. Today we are going to be installing it without glue. We're using liquid gold from Bold Hold, and it'll keep it down long enough for her to enjoy with her husband, and she can take it off easily without messing up her edges or her locks. All right, now we about to get into this little beat. So we want to give her some soft natural makeup because, you know, we don't want her husband to think it's too dramatic or too much because she's not like a makeup-y person. And last time she had on lashes, her husband was like, you got pigeons on your face. So we wanted to do something that was sexy but at the same time soft and natural. So for all my dancers and all my people that's into fitness and health, y'all definitely need to follow her on Instagram, because when I say sis can dance dance. And she's also doing a weight loss transformation. She does sell NutriBurst and TLC products, so if you're looking for a distributor, be sure to hit her up. For today's eye look, I'm using the Hip Dot palette, the Zion Press Pigment palette. I love the colors. They're really warm. They have a lot of different fall colors and a lot of shimmers, a lot of matte. So you can do a lot of different looks. So we're going to give her a pop of color, but still keep it kind of subtle. The liner you see me using here is from Kiate London. This is the Ferris Flicks liner. It's actually very, very, very good. Once it dries, like it doesn't move. You don't have to worry about it smudging. It dries really quick. It's just like me putting on liner. I used to get retarded sometimes, so bear with me, y'all. And I'm using some mascara from Cosmetics. And today we're using some lashes from my collection. I believe these are seductive. Yes, but be sure to check them out on my website, www.leilanilovesbeauty.com. And because she does sweat a lot, we want to set her makeup with the setting powder. Today I'm using the translucent shade in Kat Von D, or KVD Cosmetics. I think they changed their name, but I love the setting powder because like I can put it on any complexion and it's still fire. But yes, you see her whole new what? That's not the same lady. That's not the same lady, y'all. Nah, that's her. Now we just putting on the finishing touches, you know, so she can go slay her night away. And yes, give a round of applause because she looked good. Here she is before, still beautiful, all natural. Now we getting that wig installed. And here she is with that full beat and that slay wig, y'all. Don't she look so pretty? She's a beautiful girl naturally, so you know, it's pretty easy on a beautiful face. But yes, for that transformation though, like, if you haven't already, make sure you subscribe to my channel, hit the bell so you can get notifications for any time that I, you know, come through and bless y'all with the slay. And make sure you like and leave some comments below. Let me know what y'all think. If you have any suggestions, this was my first time installing a unit over Locs. So if you have any suggestions on anything I could have did differently, feel free to let me know.
nice. It's just you don't look like yourself.
It's different.
You look like a female rapper right now.
Where did the locks go? Like, they just disappeared. What happened? Oh. What happened? Oh. Leilani's love you. Thank you so much. Like, you really did your thing. I felt extra gorgeous today. Make sure y'all go follow her. Make sure y'all support. She's an amazing colorist. She's like the dopest colorist I know. Like I said, this is custom. This hair did not come like this.
Alright guys, so that is the final look. I want to thank you guys so much for watching. Be sure you subscribe before you leave, you know, so you can know every time I put out a new video and be down with the Love Squad. And if you want to order your own custom wig, make sure you hit me up on Leilani, www.leilanilovesbeauty.com. You can also DM me on Instagram. Be sure to follow me on social media. And until next time, peace and love.